Communication and being able to communicate powerfully is one of the best ways to reach your goals and to do the things that you want to do in your business. And today, I want to talk about how to use ChatGPT to help you do that better. This is one of the things that, listen, I think was really taboo when AI first came out. I think people were like, well, you don't want to lose your voice. You don't want AI replacing your voice or things like that. But I think we missed the fact that you can use AI to help you communicate your thoughts and feelings better. Not all of us know how to say the stuff that we're feeling. Not all of us know how to communicate and articulate that stuff as it comes to mind. And yet, learning how to communicate and articulate things powerfully is one of the best things that you can do. And ChatGPT can help guide you in that direction. Because this is about business, I want to help you if you're in business, how to be able to utilize ChatGPT to be able to get more sales, get more clients, and work with more people that you want to work with long term. And I do this all the time in different conversations, different interactions. I'm going to give you a couple of different examples of how this might look from my own life that you can use in ChatGPT, okay? Number one, like let's say that you met somebody at the store somewhere, and I use ChatGPT 5 Thinking. This is on the Pro version of ChatGPT, or no, the Plus version of ChatGPT, the $20 a month version. Let's say that you met somebody at the grocery store and you want to be able to reconnect with them, and because they were a good fit for what you offer in your business, you want to segue the conversation to be around your business. I actually pre-wrote this prompt earlier. I just met somebody at the grocery store. We exchanged numbers. They're a coach, good fit for what I offer. There's a lot of typos here, but that's okay. I have a podcast, free resources, videos, YouTube, and do consulting. They gave me their number. Give me a message I could send to re-engage, a script of how to lead the conversation towards them possibly working with me. Okay, so this is one example of how you might do this. And what it's doing is it's going to go and process through how to do that and different ways of things that you could text them, what you could say when you see them, and otherwise. Okay. So while that's loading, another scenario is, let's say that you have a car and you discovered an issue with the car and there's damage that was undisclosed when you purchased the vehicle, and you know that the person who sold it to you, the dealership, should end up paying for it. I bought a car recently with frame damage. I want to go back to the selling dealership in Texas to request they pay for repairs. Give me a script to be able to do this. Okay? So there's an example. Let's go back to our previous example right here, and let's look at what this tells us. So we've got a couple of different versions of this. The re-engagement script. Okay. Hey, Jeremiah from the grocery line. Loved our chat. No, I don't like that one. Tiny Anchor. See, so I want to just re-engage a conversation, and then a one-on-one script of how to take things to that next level. Okay. See that this is taking this. Okay. So that's helping us there. Here's another example. I'm gonna load up these examples because it's thinking through it. I want to talk to my wife about going out of town this weekend and suggest we go to Waco with the kids. How would I approach this? Now, I wouldn't necessarily use it for that conversation. I would literally just ask her. But this is just an example of how you can use ChatGPT. Some of you all might be rolling your eyes that I even put that in there. It's just an example of how you might use it in that way. Okay, let's look at the re-engagement right here. Okay, light. Jeremiah for the checkout. Fun meeting you. Realize we never swapped links. What's the best place to see your work? This is great. Awesome. Probably would leave off, I'll send mine too. Great bumping into you. I've got a couple free resources. Bridge reply. Are you pushing right now to get more eyeballs on something? One-on-one script. So glad we connected. And so, again, I would keep the conversation more light and sweet and not go right into it with something like this. But these are some ways that you could segue the conversation to move things in the middle of a conversation, to move things forward, is ways to do that. For the car repair, hey, this is so-and-so, I bought this, post-inspection, discovered this, it wasn't disclosed, please authorize to pay for the repairs. Is this the right person? Okay, forward this. If we can't resolve this informally, I'll send a Texas Deceptive Trade Practices Act notice to pursue other remedies. So this gives you kind of an outline as far as what you could do. And I actually had to do this for a vehicle that I purchased right here. I was dealing with an issue with my roofers. I have a roofer who is asking for more money than was agreed upon and believes it's owed him for work he didn't do. Give me a script to discuss this. And again, I get it. Some of you might be like, this is ridiculous. You have to ask AI to help you with these conversations. That's what we're taught and we're trained to think. But can I tell you this? That learning about persuasion, learning about conversation, learning about how to communicate, even if you just get one little nugget from a little conversation, like I'm not going to be reading one of these scripts verbatim. I don't. But I read through it to help me then formulate how I would communicate. Especially the one for the car repair one would be something like that, okay? Firm and clear. Hey, let's hop on a quick call today. I want to settle some things on the invoice. Hey, they're just jumping on this to wrap this up. Pay what's owed on our agreement. I looked at the scope. It doesn't include the extra items you mentioned. Our agreement says additional work requires a signed change order. By my ledger, we did this. Remaining contract for completed work is this. If you believe there's additional work outside the scope, email me a packet of these items. Pushback. Here's some pushback stuff. Materials cost more. We did more work than the scope. You're withholding my money. I'm ready to pay the contractual balance. Agreed upon scope. This protects both of us. I'll file a lien. You're free to pursue other remedies. I'll dispute any amount beyond the contract. I prefer we avoid this. So, and again, by the way, like I literally went through this process. It didn't escalate like this. They were asking for $60,000. They were only owed $30,000. That's a big difference, okay, on my roof repair with insurance. And I talked to them and I said, we will pay the amount for the roof, not a penny more. And they were like, okay, great. We will make a separate invoice with just those amounts. But this was able to help me have that conversation by being able to do this. Let's see. Suggesting a time with my wife. Picking a time with purpose. Ask for 10-15 minutes. Is now a good time to talk about the weekend. Lead with care. Signal that isn't a demand. And you'll carry the load. Offer 1 to 2 easy options. Let's see. I would probably more use this if it was like going out with like friends or something like that, and her watching the kids. I'll pack the kids' snacks, confirm a stroller-friendly plan, and book something with an easy exit. We'll keep quiet blocks for you and protect nap windows. Okay. Let's say that I just had a great conversation with a long-term client, want to segue to them joining me for a new offer that fits what they are dealing with. Write me a script to text them about this after our call. Okay? This is another example of something like this. And then I'm going to give you one last example is I just had a sales call with a potential client and I want to write an email that is excited about moving forward, working with them to build out their art coaching offer and accomplish their goal of 100 new students by March. Okay? Might use something like that. I had this conversation. I want to come up with what to say in this email. All right? See, here's a text script, longtime client, quick thought after our call. This is exactly what my new offer helps with. It helps with a specific offer, specific outcome and time frame without common hassle. Appreciate our chat, given the situation you described, where you've been trying to get your offer going, things like that. I'd recommend staying with me in my VIP program and continuing forward so that you know what to do, so that I can come alongside you and show you exactly what steps to take. I do this all the time when I'm doing conversations, when I'm texting clients, when I'm writing them, when I'm DMing, when I'm sending individualized emails, and I'm using AI to help me communicate exactly how to say these things. Here's one for that art coaching. Loved our call today. Your vision for art coaching is spot on. I'm excited to partner with you. See, it's affirmative. It gives you scripts of what to say, how to say it, how to put it together. Again, this might not be the exact deliverables. Sometimes what I like to do too is I might copy a conversation. I had a client where I did a soft sales pitch without a price on a conversation. I pulled the transcript in because I recorded it, and I actually pulled the transcript right into ChatGPT, and I told it, okay, take this transcript and turn it into a proposal email and write me some bullet points for a proposal video to send to the person. And it literally closed the sale, made $20,000 right off of that, right off the bat. And so what I'm trying to show you and trying to encourage you in, there are so many use cases and scenarios for using ChatGPT to help you communicate as a better salesperson. For you to know how to say something better, that's more persuasive, because that's the difference maker between just merely informing people about what you have to offer and getting them to actually make a purchase and to buy from you. And so listen, if you're somebody who wants to take that business to the next level, I'd love to work with you in my Wealthy Coach Academy program. Inside of that program, you can find a link in the description below this video. I help you know exactly what to do in your business to get more clients and to make more money by knowing what to say, how to put all the pieces together, how to put an offer together, how to build out your funnel, how to build out your traffic, and what to truly do strategically that's going to get people on your email list so that you can close more of those sales. And so again, I'd love to work with you. I'd love to help you with that. Click one of the links below. We'll talk soon. Have a good one.